everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video I'm going to be unboxing my January Glossybox. So I do have a love-hate relationship with Glossybox. I used to love it, and now I'm not as big a fan of it. I did like my December box. Absolutely enjoyed my December of 2018 box. It was actually a pretty good box. It had a good mix of products in it. But I have already opened this one. I've gotten my card out because I do try to do the try-on style with you all if it's feasible. And that's probably not going to happen. Well, it's not going to happen today. It's not going to happen today. And I'm pretty sure this is my last box. Last glossy box, I should say. So if there's any other boxes you want me to start unboxing, leave those in the comment section down below. I am probably going to be dropping this one as well as my Lola. I told you a couple months ago I'm probably going to be dropping my Lola box as well. So if you have any recommendations for some unboxings, let me know in the comment section down below. But let's go ahead and get this opened. I'm going to take the lid off. That is what it looks like when you first open it. We are getting a lot of like coupon codes. A lot of coupon codes. This is the second one. The other one was like $50 off of a wine purchase or something like that. I don't know. Last couple of months they've been really heavy into putting like coupon code thingies in here. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get this package open. And it's such a shame because it's so pretty. They do very, very well on the layout and presentation. So anyway, this is what it looks like when you open up the package, and it does have a little card in here. There is no theme, I don't think. I don't think there's a theme, but it does have all the products on the card. So I'm going to go ahead and start pulling the items out and showing them to you as I go. So the first item that is right on top, it is this right here. It says it's the Cocoa Star Slice Mask Sheet. I don't know. Here's what it looks like. All right. So this is the Cocoa Star Lemon Slice Mask. Revolutionary in the concept of sheet masks. Each slice is infused with the nutrients and scent of its namesake fruit. More convenient and effective than using raw fruits and vegetables, slices use eucalyptus tree's power to deliver intense yet gentle nourishment to your face and body. So there's a tip. Before applying your mask, cleanse and dry your skin. First, try covering your skin with a warm towel to dilate your pores for maximum absorption. And there is a code. You receive 20% off your online purchase at CocoStarUSA.com. It's KOCO starusa.com. Use code GLOSSY2019. It's a one-time use and it expires on April 30th of 2019. So there is a single sheet mask in the box. All right, the next item in here. So this is what it looks like when you get that item out. I think I might be missing something. Oh, there it is. It's underneath. All right, let's go ahead and pull. No, I think I am missing something. Yeah, I'm missing something. Okay. This item right here is the Zaya facial wipes. It's to remove makeup. There are 10 towelettes in this little package. This is what it looks like. All right. This is Zaya, Z-E-A. Perfect for the woman on the go. Zaya's beauty wipes cleanse and renew without the added need of having to rinse your face after taking your makeup off. Infused with rosehip essential oil, skin gets a powerful dose of antioxidants and vitamins, leaving you feeling radiant. And there's a tidbit. Be sure to run the beauty wipe along your hairline to ensure makeup doesn't build up, clogging your pores and causing undesirable blemishes. You can also use a code. You can receive 10% off your next Zaya order on Amazon when you use code 10ZAYAGLOSSY. Offer valid until March 15th, 2019. I keep looking to see if maybe the product that is missing is somehow shoved in the box. And it's oh no! Okay, never mind. I misunderstood. There's 6 items on here, but there's a little tiny word right there. It says "or" in really light pink. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this out. This is the or item. You could have gotten the Daily Concepts Mini Facial Scrubber, which I did not get. I've actually gotten that in a box before. It might have been this box. Or you can get the Differin Gel. This is acne treatment, which I get blemishes a lot. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And this is the Differin Adapalene Gel. It's 0.1% acne treatment. Ditch your old way of fighting acne and embrace Differin Gel, a revolutionary new treatment. The first over-the-counter product with the retinoid adapalene. You can prevent breakouts and clear up blemishes for beautiful skin without the hassle of waiting for a prescription. Tip: it's tempting, but don't stop using Differin Gel when your skin starts to clear up. Continue using it daily to prevent future breakouts and achieve long-lasting results. Head to differin.com to learn more. So I will use this. I actually prefer this over the mini facial scrubber. I got the mini facial scrubber before, and it's just not something that I would actually use. And I think I put it in a giveaway and gave it to one of you guys. But let's go ahead and get this out of the package. I think it's just a little tube. It says that it's a ½ ounce. All right. Yep. It's just a little tube here. And it's just like a clear gel. So, all right. I'll use it. I get acne. If you watch this channel at all, you know. In fact, I have some right now. All right. I'm going to leave that out of the box. All right, the next item is like the big ticket item in the box this month. This is from Avant or Avant. It's the Shea Butter Hyaluronic Vitamin B3 Seawater Sweet Almond Age Nutri Revive Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Mask. I read all that. I don't think it's all needed. I think it's just the Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying or Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Let's see if it's safety sealed. It is safety sealed. Now this says that it's a $120 value, and I did look it up, and it does say, well, it's actually 95 pounds. So that's what it looks like. So this is from the Avant or Avant Skincare Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. I think this is the full size. An anti-aging moisturizer, the cream deeply nourishes and improves dullness for a younger looking complexion. The powerful combination of hyaluronic acid, Maris Aqua, and vitamin B3 rejuvenates skin to prevent and reverse signs of aging like crow's feet, wrinkles, and dark under eye circles. Complexion that will glow with a radiance from within. Tip: to keep the product working as effectively as possible, store it in a cool, dry place. Be sure to use it within 12 months of opening it for the best results. So, all right, I'm going to give this a try. The last moisturizer I used with hyaluronic acid actually dried my skin out terribly, so we'll see. All right, the last item in here is from Sleek Makeup. It is a highlighting palette in the shades Distorted Dreams. That's the name of the palette, Distorted Dreams. All right, so this is super pretty. But it looks like it's 3 cream and 2 powder. If you can see that, it looks like this shade here, the one in the middle, and this one over here are all cream highlighters, and it looks like this one and this one are powder. Oh no, it's not. It has to be. This doesn't make sense. Okay. All right, so the description on the back is not the same as the description on the paper. So, okay, I'm going to read you the description on the paper, and then I'll read you the description on the back because they're not the same. So this one says it's a versatile highlighter palette with 2 baked powders, 1 cream formula, and 1 silky shimmer powder. Sleek Makeup carefully crafted 5 shades to match every skin tone. Intended to be used on either the body or the face, 4 highly metallic finishes enhance your complexion with a radiant glow. And it says a tip for an added touch of radiance, use a powder brush and apply to shoulders, down the center of your arms, and across the décolletage. All right, so on the back here, It says, take a transcendental trip to a world where eyes, cheeks, and lips glow with otherworldly opalescence. This iridescent, multi-purpose highlighting palette adds luminosity and a kaleidoscope sheen to the skin. It includes 2 velvety powders and 3 luxurious cream formulas. Multi-purpose can be layered and used all over the face, including lips, eyes, and cheeks. So this actually says 3 cream and 2 powders, and then the paper says 2 powders, 1 cream, and 1 silky shimmer powder. So it's the description does not match the product. But I am going to go ahead and swatch this. So there's the green, the blue, I'm not getting enough on my finger, and then the pink. These are the 3 creams. So there they are. Let me get the powders. They're very subtle. Well, they're not subtle. You can't see them very well. They're not subtle though. I mean, with like a bright pink, and they're up here. The bright pink's not coming through very well. There's the golden, and then the creams. The pink on the creams isn't coming through real well either. I really like the blue though. I really like that blue shade. All right, so I don't have highlighter on. I figured this was the only makeup product in the box, and I would go ahead and give it a try. So I do have my highlighter brush here. I didn't realize that there were cream highlighters in here, so I do already have powder on my face. So I'm going to go ahead in with the pink powder right here and see how this looks on my skin. Can you guys see that? It's not real pigmented. I'm going to go in with the gold on the other side. Let's see if I can get the gold to be any. That one seems to be a little bit better. I'm going to go back over the pink with the gold on this side just to even myself out. And I think I'll go ahead and add a little bit of pink on this side. So, yeah. I have another sleek highlighting palette, and I do really enjoy it. It's actually pretty nice. So, there's that. So this month we got a sleek makeup highlighting palette, a moisturizer, a zit cream. Is that right? Acne treatment? Should I be calling it acne treatment and not a zip cream? I don't know. I always called it zit cream. Makeup remover wipes, and a sheet mask. So that's what it looks like. Product-wise, the products are okay. But my complaint with Glossybox is the same that I had with Look Fantastic. If you go back on my channel, like this time last year, I was getting a box called Look Fantastic, and I loved it. It was coming from England, and I loved that it had like that little niche to it, that I was getting it directly from England. I thought it was so cool. But you really have to go back about a year and a half, because this time last year, this is what Look Fantastic looked like. It was all skincare and maybe one makeup product. And, you know, I sign up for these beauty boxes because I want to get different like makeup stuff. And I don't mind skincare at all. Skincare, hair care, I don't mind that at all. What I would really like to see is like 2, 3, because they're usually about 5 products. Sorry, my dog is down here and she really wants to come up on camera. Do you want to say hello? Do you want to say hello? No, 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 don't lick me. I have makeup on. Say hello. Wednesday, say hello. Say hi, I'm Wednesday. All right, go down you go. I'd be okay if it was like a split between like 2 and 3, like 2 makeup and 3 skincare, hair care, or vice versa. 3 makeup, 2 skincare, hair care. But when you get to the point where you're at 4 skincare, hair care, and only 1 makeup product, that's when I just have to call it and be like, I'm done. You know, I can't keep getting this box. I have so many little samples of skincare. I have a whole drawer of masks. And I just can't keep justifying it to myself when I get other boxes that are $10 a month, or my BoxyCharm, which is $21 a month, that I get a lot more value for me. If you're a skincare lover, you might love this box. So I am going to go online and I am going to cancel this, and it's going to hurt because I've officially, this is my 24th month getting Glossybox. I just can't. I can't keep doing it. I just can't, it's not what I want out of a beauty box, if that makes sense. So anyway, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit the red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. What are your thoughts on Glossybox? Yeah. It just makes me sad. It makes me very, very sad. This is one of the first boxes that I signed up for. This and Glossybox were like the first 2 boxes that I signed up for. So it does make me kind of sad. But it is time to leave it go and move on to bigger and better things. So if you have any comments, let them in the comment section down below. Let me know if there are any other boxes that I should be checking out. I do get FabFitFun. I don't mind getting more of a lifestyle kind of box. I used to get BeautyCon when BeautyCon boxes were still a thing. So, you know, I don't mind getting more of a lifestyle box if I know what I'm paying for is a lifestyle box. This claims to be a beauty box, and it really sends you a bunch of skincare. Not that skincare is not important. Skincare is extremely important, but I have so much skincare. So much skincare. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!